In this video, we discuss about the AP, arithmetic progression, Samanta Sredi. This is the first video about it. What is the AP? We discuss what is the AP, what is character, what is the use, what is the working, how many marks comes in my board about AP. AP is the part of the first year. It is not the part of the board. Therefore, the standard 10th standard student can be taken at the point of the board examination, and the 11th and 12th students are not go for the board examination. They go for the knowledge and coming their examination that held by the various states for the competition. So now we discuss about what is the AP. Okay, what is the sequence? We have known about what is the sequence and what is the series. It is discussed in the previous classes about it. So we finally go to what is the AP. Let us suppose that is the sequence SN. Okay, and they react like it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and so. Second, 4, 7, 10, 30, and so on. Now, 9, 12, 9, 11, 13, and so on. We found that the difference between them are constant. 1, 2, 1, 3, 4, 1. Here also we found that the difference is 3. Here is also 3. Here is also 3. Here is 2. That is 2. Therefore, the sequence that react like that, the difference of their conjugative terms are the same. The sequence, their difference between two conjugative terms are the same, then it is known as arithmetic progression. तब इसे हम लोग समांतर श्रेणी कहते हैं. ठीक है. For example, we consider here the difference is always 1, 1, 1. Then we can say is an AP. Here also the difference is same. It is an AP. The difference also same. Is an AP. Then by adding or subtracting a constant number, we found that their successive terms, then it is known as arithmetic progression. यानी उसी अचर संख्या को जोड़ने और घटाने पर अगर उसका अगला टर्म मिल रहा है तो दैट इज नोन एज एपी. तब उसे हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन बोलते हैं. हम लोग सीधे समांतर श्रेणी करते हैं. ओके, तो और जो ये नंबर्स फाउंड होता है बेटा, दिस इज आल्सो नोन एज कॉमन डिफरेंस. That constant number are known as CD, common difference. हिंदी में कहते हैं समांतर. That is the common difference. Okay. तो arithmetic progression is that by adding or subtracting a constant number in each term, we obtain their successive terms known as arithmetic progression. तब इसे हम लोग समांतर श्रेणी कहते हैं. If first term A and common difference is D, then the general series, then APB, A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D, and so on. So we have, if we have a first term and a common difference, we can write a series that are in AP. For example, suppose karo, it is given us that first term is 2 and the common difference is 3. First term 2 and common difference 3. Then series, then APV 2, 2 plus 3, 2 plus again 2, 2 plus 3, that gives us 5, 5 plus 3, that gives 8, 8 plus 3, that gives 11, 11 plus 3, that gives us 14. So we can say the APV 2, 5, 8, 11, 14 and so on. We observe that 5 minus 2, 3, 8 minus 5, 3, 11 minus 3, 3, 14 minus 11, 3. So we can form. If the first and common difference are given, we can write NAP. Let us suppose the series is given 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and so on. We have need to discuss that is AB or not. So 3 minus 2, 3 gives us 1, but 5 minus 3 gives us 2. Both are not equal to each other. We can say it is not an AP. ये AP फॉर्म नहीं कर रहा. So you want to know about the AP, you have need to first find the difference between their conjugated terms. If they are same, that is an AP. They are not same, that is not an AP. Okay. If the series is decreasing or increasing by adding or subtracting, if we observe their next term, then we can say it is an AP, otherwise not an AP. Now we have need to find the we have need to find the general terms on an AP. Let us suppose we have need to find out the 20th term. Then we have need to first, second, third, fourth, and up to 19 terms. Then find 20 terms. But with the help of this formula, we can also observe it. For example, APV A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D. Okay. The first term is T1. Maximum student takes set A1 or T1. Second term A2 or we can say T2. The third term A3 or T3 as you wish. First term A4, T4 as you wish. Second term A plus D. Third term A plus 2D. Fourth term A plus 3D. A means A plus 1 minus 1. Second term is A plus 2 minus 1. Third term A plus 3 minus 1. That can be write A plus 4 minus 1. Okay. 1 minus 1, 0, 0, 2D, 0. Then we have it. 2 minus 1, 1 2D. We have 3 minus 1 we obtain, 4 minus 1 we obtain. So this system can write like this can be write like this can be write like this can be like this. We are going to express along 1, 1, then 1 minus 1, 2, 2 minus 1, 3, 3 minus 1, 4, 4 minus 1. Similarly, we can say AN or TN as you wish. AN also TN also. A 4 minus 1, 3 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 1 minus 1 and n minus 1. This is the general formula to find any terms of A. That is the general formula to find term of AP. For example, 2, 5, 8 and so on. We require 20th term. Then A equal to first term 2, okay. Second term is D, 5 plus D, 5 minus 2, that is 3, okay. Also we can check 8 minus 5, it is also 3. Therefore, we required 20 term, the real is 20. A20, A plus 20 minus 1. A to 19, that is 3, to 93, 57. We observe 59. So if we write this term up to 20, we find 59. So with the help of this formula, we can also observe how to find the terms of AP. In this, any problem?
27.
57.
नहीं 9 थे क्या
19.
अच्छा 19.
Okay? So we observe that with the help of this formula, we can find any term of AP. This video are for those students who are preparing, for those students who are going to board examination in high school standard, and also those students who live in a village. मेरे ऐसे कई से स्टूडेंट्स हैं जो गांव में रहते हैं, उनके पास इतने साधन नहीं है या टीचर अवेलेबल नहीं है, तो आज से मैं उन लोगों को पूरी एपी की प्रॉपर्टी बताऊंगा, कैसे एपी फाइंड की जाती है, उसके एन टर्म्स क्या होते हैं, जैसे मैंने डिस्कस किया है, एन टर्म्स बोलते हैं, फिर सम ऑफ द एपी एंड देयर कंडीशंस, द बेसिक न्यूमेरिकल्स ऑन इट. We try to explain better ourselves, and I hope that you get advantage in your career of education. Thank you.